We're back with Lucky Break 2019. And, you know, just collecting all this money. Oh, hey, look, I got something special.
Number 6?
Secret.
Secret?
A secret.
You got a secrete.
A secrete. A secretion. Okay, how do I...
Follow the
I gotta
signs.
climb back up on the bus.
Yes.
I get lost. We've had this conversation.
It's literal giant arrows. Follow them.
Okay. Can I break these? Yeah, money.
You can.
Nailed it. Oh my god! What the hell is that?
I would love that to be my. I would love that to be my new text ringtone.
I can't even do that. Yeah. Oh no! Oh no!
Keep them away from those kids.
Oh no!
See that? See how fire and bombs don't mix?
Fire and bombs. Oh,
But you got this sexy stripper pole.
we have a pole.
You can do something with this, yes?
Oh, look at that!
Oh,
Look at all the
that.
look at all the neon pink
Look
lights.
at Juliet spins so masterfully on the ball. Oh, yes.
Whoa! Okay. Did I miss one? No. Oh. Yay. Wait, is there anything I missed? Nope.
Yeah, dude, fire bad, man.
Okay. What do I do then?
Probably go through
Oh,
the
the door.
around the fire.
Around it.
Yeah.
Like, I look at... There's, like, nothing happening to it. Which is how it would really work. Whoa, that wouldn't happen, though.
How did he get bombs on him? Wasn't that one of the ones that just...
That's... We never got that far to explain that.
Alright.
That's, like, a mystery of the game.
Is it one of the, like, 5 demon zombies?
It's one of the boss things,
Yeah.
probably, yeah.
God.
Probably. Okay. Just shut up already. And headless.
You have full power, by the way.
I know.
BT dubs.
Okay. Oh, another one. Why? 'Cause why not?
Can you do something really quick?
Sure.
Alright, keep going. Just don't hit X. Stop. Stop.
I did.
Oh. I was gonna say hit it really slow.
So
Yeah. She goes in like slow-mo.
As soon as you said stop,
Yeah.
I pressed stop and it kept going.
Oh, this is the one where you get to jump on the heads.
Dude.
Go jump it.
Okay.
Go jump him. Go get that upskirts shot right
Here
here.
we go.
There you go.
Use the buttons to walk on zombie heads. Get them all to get a sweet reward.
Get all them buttons.
B. A. 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 A.
Hey.
A.
Hey.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey!
Wow, that was easy as hell.
That was really easy. Oh my god. Look at them all explode.
That was like no effort at all.
I know.
I need to find Morikawa Sensei.
Murakawa sensei.
Morikawa Sensei. Let me guess, he's gonna be a horny little Asian man. Like tries to grab her boob.
I mean, I don't know. I can't say for certain. I don't want to go, you know, saying things are gonna happen.
I do.
I do.
I'm calling it. I'm totally calling it.
A. X. Okay. Oh yeah, because actually I would like to upgrade her health again, if possible. I'm not gonna spend time breaking all those
No.
benches,
Do
though.
the strength, man.
Strength.
Yeah, hell yeah. I think if you do the strength all the way, you can do the health later.
I don't know. I'd want to get some health at least.
You already do. Didn't you do it the last time?
Just like one tick. Like, there's a lot. There's a lot of health and strength for us to upgrade.
There's
So
a lot of ticks.
there's a lot.
There's a lot
We'll
of
be fine.
ticks.
We're
It's
just-
like the
there's gonna be lots of time for us to fucking upgrade.
it's like the backside of a deer's ear. There's a lot of ticks. Get it?
Wow.
Have you ever seen that picture?
No.
I'll probably put that up right now.
Yeah.
Of just like the ticks, just like there's like a family of ticks on the back of like deer's ears all the time. It's really gross. I might not put that picture up.
Chop, chop, chop. Okay. I like how you like rationalize yourself into not wanting to do it.
Well, I mean, it's a gross image. Like that's some shit that I found on like Ogreish or Rotten.com, you know?
Oh God. Okay.
Yeah, get everything you can.
Zombie basketball time limit. You lose.
You lose and blam. Get that shit, get
There
the
we
gold
go.
to Lollipop number 7. What do those do?
I think it's just a, little fun thing to search for in the game. Oh, look at this.
Well, if you can.
Little secret room here. Oh, money. There we go.
If you can, maybe... I'm thinking maybe you can, like, sell them and then get more money so you can buy more stuff.
Yeah. Do these break? Yeah, they do. That's cool. That's really detail-oriented.
Really detail-oriented.
Back.
Oh, yeah.
Kick the door open.
So I was gonna say, just go really slow, so it's all in slow-mo, every single one. So it's like,
Try that the next one. It's not gonna work like that.
it's just funny to me, like, seeing her kick it up, and she just fucking can't.
Oh my god. Okay, I gotta decapitate them.
Yeah, decap attack right now. Also a very fun Sega game. You gotta get close to the hoop, kinda, and then like, go get that shit. Go get him. Boom.
There we go.
you go.
Okay, I was like, I have to press A,
Two
right?
puntas.
Alright.
Oh, goaltending. That's bullshit. You can't just stay there.
Dirty some bish.
Get him.
Okay, watch, they're gonna... Oh no, okay, cool. Seriously? Come on.
Keep your heads, man.
I'm trying. I'm
Your
trying.
heads, man. You're
Okay.
10% of the way there.
I know. Come on. Here we go. Ah, there we go.
Can you hit a 3?
I don't know. That's a good question. Let's find out. Oops.
Holy shit, you can.
Oh, what?
There you go. Hey, he's gonna block it though.
Yeah, he
You
is.
gotta get the little punk ass bitch
Get
right
rid
here.
of him first.
Yeah.
But fuck all of you right now. Okay. Sue,
Yeah.
you get over here. I'm gonna make you into. Oh
No,
no.
he's gonna block it.
Okay.
Now go outside of the key.
3 at once. Yeah. Oh.
No, he's gonna block it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you know I should probably heal. Oh my god. Why is it like wish like it would connect smoother so she stops in between me punching them and using the chainsaw.
You have 42 seconds.
I'm not gonna do it. Yeah.
Why are you even bothering with stunning them?
Because that's how you like get their heads into the thing, right? You have to stun them
You
first.
can just hit him with the chainsaw, I think. Oh shit, next time we'll find out if you can.